Hi Femmes, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. So today Femmes, I have for you a twist out done on my type 4 hair. I have about 46, I counted about 46 twists in my hair and rods, and the reason I did them so small was because I wanted to, one, have a bunch of definition, and two, I wanted them to last. I noticed that when I do my twists smaller, they last a bit longer. The products that I use for this video are by Naokeidoe Creations. I'll have all of the product information in the description box, so you can click on the link and visit the website. I first started out by shampooing with their apple cider vinegar shampoo, and I used that, and I followed that up with the penetrating deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is extremely thick, and one thing that I love about the penetrating deep conditioner is that it literally melts the tangles in your hair, so the detangling process goes by extremely fast. As far as styling is concerned, I use two products from Naokeidoe Creations. I'm using their leave-in conditioner and also their curly twist cream. That's how I got this definition like this, by doing smaller twists, by doing it on wet hair, and also using the leave-in and then the curly twist on top of the leave-in. When you are separating your curls and separating your twists, make sure that you are gentle. Don't do as I did. I had to go somewhere, so I was rushing a little bit, but make sure you're gentle. It depends on what type of person you are, though. I'm the type of person that I don't really care about definition too much. I really love volume. But if you're a person that wants straight up definition, then you don't want to manipulate your curls. You only want to unravel your twists maybe once or twice. But what I'm doing to achieve the desired volume and fullness that I want is that I'm continuously unraveling the twists, separating them multiple times. I noticed that my hair was extremely moisturized. If I could do anything differently, I would probably not use as much curly twist cream because I feel like I put a little too much, but that's okay because my hair will soak it up over the days and I don't have to worry about applying any oil or anything like that. One thing about me is that I am a big proponent of scalp healthiness and the health of your scalp. So if you're looking to moisturize your scalp, definitely use and check out the Trinity Hair and Scalp Oil. You can put that on your scalp. You can use it on your body as well. It's a multi-purpose product. Okay, Femmes, here is the finished product. I simply put bobby pins on the side. I kind of like that pushback look. Since my hair is short and it's growing out, that's kind of the look I was going for. But of course, no natural hair or fro style is complete without using your pick. Use that pick, Femmes, to get that fullness, to get that length that you want, and make sure you concentrate that pick solely on your roots. Don't get the middle of your hair, don't get the ends of your hair, because that's going to cause more frizz. Solely concentrate on the roots of your hair. That's it for this video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I will see you in my next video. Bye.